Hey there folks, welcome back to the Tower Tech. Today we've got a video all about my custom desk setup, my water-cooled PC and my studio setup. Let's get into it. So wading straight in, the desk is a Carby kitchen countertop from IKEA. At just shy of 2.5 meters in length, it gives me loads of space to work. This is sat atop two Alex drawers, also both from IKEA. And above these, I've got a TIE Fighter style setup with 3 monitors. The middle monitor is a 100Hz Acer X34 Predator, an ultra wide at 3440 by 1440p, and alongside this I've got 2 Benk 1080p monitors orientated in portrait. For peripherals, I've got the Corsair K70 mechanical keyboard with Cherry MX switches and the Corsair M65 Pro RGB mouse, all sat atop the Corsair extended mousepad. I've got a little cactus and a Tibetan singing bowl underneath for decoration, as well as an Amazon Echo Spot, which is dead handy for news and controlling my Hue lighting. I've got 2 Hue Philips strips, one behind the desk, the other behind the monitors, and 6 bulbs on the ceiling, which allow me to add RGB effects to the background of my lighting, either when I'm streaming or when I'm recording YouTube videos like I am right now. My PC is a custom water-cooled Threadripper 3960X with 2 2080 Ti's in SLI, all housed within the exquisite K-Slabs SMA A8. You can't get those anymore. It's a real shame. My office is sound treated with acoustic foam to help prevent reverberation and echoes when I'm recording, and it also optimizes and enhances the sound quality of your speakers. Definitely do this before you fork out for a more expensive set of speakers. You'll be genuinely surprised by the results. I have a Behringer audio mixer, attached to which I have the Audio-Technica AT2035 cardioid microphone on a boom arm, and 2 Elgato key lights, both with portable softboxes on them. This has really been a help since I've been working from home, sat endlessly on Teams and Zoom school. On the opposite wall, I've got a colour-calibrated Dell Monitor that I use as a camera monitor as well as a place to put my notes when I'm recording. It also helps me check the colour accuracy of my video editing. The entire opposite wall is designed for uber efficiency. I've got a magic arm clamp for my camera as a permanent fixing mechanism for filming, alongside which I've got the H5 Zoom handy recorder, which allows me to monitor my audio levels when I'm talking to you as I am right now. More bass traps and acoustic panels. They all conceal the cabling and allow for easy access and change when required. And I've also got a wall-mounted boom arm that helps me get my shotgun microphone into position quickly and easily. That shotgun microphone is the Rode NTG4 Plus, which has got a fabulous built-in battery which lasts forever. I've got a cheap softbox which really helps me see when I'm building custom PCs, and 2 newer LED lights, again both with portable softboxes on them. I've got my Logitech G29 steering wheel and pedals set up when I fancy a spin in VR, which is done with either my Valve Index, which is typically my daily driver, or the Oculus Rift for exclusive titles on that platform. You've probably spotted my penchant for Star Trek. I have some very retro-themed posters of the original series episodes from the 60s, as well as a great array of model ships. So that is my desk setup and studio. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like and share. Make sure you subscribe if you're not. We're in the process of building another setup for the 13-year-old resident within our household. As always, I hope you're really well wherever in the world you are, and I will see you in my next one.